Good afternoon. Happy Friday. As we record this today, it is January 5th. I should probably stop saying the date of these if I ever want to repurpose any of this. Although this live stream today is a little on the side of fresh content here. Here's what I'm going to do, though. I am going to share this because I am a little behind. I had a client that ran over, and it's actually a little chilly today. This is why I have like a light jacket on. So let's do this. I'm going to get into my get into my screen. Let a few of you people come on. It'll be great. And if you're watching the replay, thank you. Comment. Let me know that you're here and you exist, because I do respond to the comments. So today we're going to be talking about a couple of things that I've got coming up. And it's not specifically me. I'm actually partnering with a really phenomenal organization called Dress for Success. There's a Southwest Florida chapter, and it's exciting because and again, let me just share this really quick because I am trying to share it with some peeps. This is why I need like an assistant to help me with this kind of stuff. Join me live. Okay. All right, so let's see here. Let's see if I can do it on. Let's see if I can do it one more time. And la, la, la. Okay. I just made that song up about you. Yep, I sure did. Okay, so let's see here. About the upcoming dress. Okay. So here's the dealio. So I am going to probably have to edit that out because I just spent 2 minutes trying to send information out to my other groups and to my page. So here's the deal. I'm partnered with an organization called Dress for Success. I'm very excited about the partnership. Now, if you don't know what Dress for Success is all about, it's an organization that helps women up-level themselves. It started as an organization that would help a woman get an appropriate interview outfit. And in the Southwest Florida area, the Southwest Florida chapter is very unique in the sense that it provides a lot of professional development opportunities for the women that get referred into the program, right? So if you're in a situation where you're underemployed, you're not employed, and you really need some new, you need to feel confident, you need a really phenomenal outfit to go rock that interview. This is an organization where a lot of women get referred to every single year. But beyond that, this is where I come into play. There's a program. It's called Women Empowered Through Employment Series, and this is actually, we did a variation of this program in 2016. So I'm technically coming back into the organization for a 5th time with the prior program, and now this is the 2nd time we're running this program. It's called Wheedies. But this is why it's really important for me to talk about it today. So we actually have an orientation coming up on January 10th. And what Wheedies does, that's an acronym for Women Empowered Through Employment Series. What this does is it actually helps women in Southwest Florida who are either underemployed, they're not employed, get access to training on how they can be better at getting those job opportunities. So what to be looking for when they're seeking those job opportunities, what to be thinking about when they're going through the interview process. And all the while, they're not only getting this training for free, but they're also getting access to leaders in the Southwest Florida community that actually have jobs. So phenomenal partners like Chico's and Walmart and Lysar and Hertz and Lee Health. I mean, I'm missing a bunch, but these are Wells Fargo, Walgreens. These are places that are currently hiring jobs in the Southwest Florida market right now. And this is a training program that Dress for Success puts on, it presents, and I'm lucky enough to be facilitating it. So this is why I'm coming on today. I'm telling you about some of this. Now, let me tell you some of the facts here. We're kicking off the orientation on Wednesday, the 10th. So as I'm recording this today, it's January 5th. We're doing an orientation from 9 to noon at the Dress for Success Career Center. And it will be an opportunity for the women who are interested in the program to learn more about the program, all the details, get an overview of the 6-week curriculum. So there's an orientation, and then if they decide they want to continue, it's a 6-week career development program that Dress for Success is putting on. And of course, they're going to learn things like, how to dress for success, right? How to position yourself and your personal brand out there, how to budget your finances. For a lot of the women that are participating in the program, they're in different financial situations right now. And so some of that might not be the best financial situation. So we actually have somebody coming in and they're going to be talking about how to budget in some of these more challenging times, how to make sure you're budgeting and preparing for your finances in a healthy way. We're also going to be talking about very extensively resume writing. I know that's a really tough thing. So hey, Anne-Marie, how are you? It's a really tough thing for a lot of people to put down their accomplishments on paper, especially when you're trying to worry about how to get it formatted, right? I mean, I can talk about my accomplishments, but in terms of writing it down on paper, I'm not necessarily the strongest at that. I need a wordsmith. Who am I kidding? I actually know how to do some of that, but it's not my favorite thing to do, just like most people, right? So we actually have Nancy Gibson. She is a doll. She's amazing. She's just been with the program now in a multitude of capacities, but she comes from a background of many, many years and knowing how to to correctly put together those resumes in a place that's going to get seen, the things that you need to be prepared for as you're writing that resume, the things that you need to be thinking about after that resume gets to the person that could potentially hire you. So she's going to be a wealth of information. We also have an opportunity where somebody's going to come in and talk about how to ace the interview, how to rock the interview, some things to be thinking about as you were in that interview process. So those are all going to be, and then what I'm really excited about is that there's actually going to be a day where we're going to be practicing the interviews. It's going to be a guided discussion. There's lots of training that's going to go up to that point. So if you're thinking about participating in the program, or you have somebody that is watching this right now because you referred them to watch it because you know that they are looking for a new career, they're not currently employed right now, this would be a great way for them to understand how to really articulate what it is that they need to know in order to feel more confident in that interview space. So, and they'll be getting real-time feedback in that process as well. It's not like they're just going to get the information and then that's it, right? Or I'm sorry, they're not going to just go through the experience of doing the interview and then not getting any feedback, because that wouldn't be helpful. So all of this is wrapped up in a free program. It's absolutely free. So the participants that qualify though for it are going to be women in the Southwest Florida area who are not employed, or they're currently underemployed, meaning they're in a job maybe that isn't necessarily inside of their skill set. Maybe they have a higher level education, but they're in a job right now that really isn't maximizing all the benefits that they're bringing to the table. So this is a perfect opportunity for people in the Southwest Florida area. Now, why I'm coming on here into live stream to do this now is because I know if you're following me, you're watching me, you're probably set on your career, right? You're either in an entrepreneurial spirit yourself, right? You're running a business, you're in some sort of leadership role with your company. You don't really need a job. However, there are people in your sphere of influence that are going through a transition in the world. They need an opportunity to thrive and rise up. So I'm asking you, if you're watching this today, this short little live stream, if you could share this with people that are, and after the live stream is done, I'm going to go ahead and put the contact information. You want to contact Nicole Hindra at Dress for Success Southwest Florida. I'll put the contact information in there. But if you could help me share this with other people that could utilize this program, who would find it beneficial. Like I said, the orientation, there's no pressure, but this is a really good chance on January 10th from 9 to noon at the Dress for Success Career Center. Again, I'm going to put all that into the comment section as soon as I'm done here. But that is going to give you an opportunity to learn the overview of the program. We would really love to see a packed house. I think, you know, our goal, Barbara Dell, who is the executive director of the organization, her goal is to serve more women every time we put on this program. And it keeps getting better. The people, the community leaders that have stepped up to the plate, the people that are volunteering their time to really support the participants that are going to be through this program. I mean, I just am so proud and so excited to be part of this program. And I just wanted to share and give an overview to my fellow professionals out there. But, you know, obviously there are people in your network who are going through transition right now. So let's help those people get access to information that they need at their fingertips. It is definitely a life-altering program in a good way. We have many women through the program that have gone through it who have been able to find the resources and the jobs and the support that they need to get to the next level in their personal and professional journey. And that, to me, is absolutely powerful. That's why I do everything I do. It's because of that concept right there. It's getting people to that next level of greatness. And as I'm so proud to partner with Dress for Success Southwest Florida as an organization, because that's exactly what they do. So anyway, I'm going to wrap it up with that. Like I said, please do me a huge favor and share this with other people that you know could be in a position to utilize this program. I'll have all the details about the orientation and where to register for the orientation inside the comment section. Until next time, you guys rock. Take care.